Are you Luther Sharp?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Vasquez, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sharp, in cause number 25, wait, are we going on count one?
Count one, Your Honor.
All right, hold on, let me, get that done. Okay, in 25 DCCR 0916, the state has elected to proceed on count one only. It alleges that you committed the second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from May 26th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Vasquez?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a cap of 15 years in prison, which means you're leaving your punishment up to me. And as long as I don't give you more than 15 years in prison, you can't appeal that. I can give you 15, I can give you less. It'll all be determined on the evidence and information that I receive at a sentencing hearing. You have an absolute right to have a jury come in and do two things. The first is to determine if you're guilty or not. And then the second is, if they find you guilty, then you could leave your punishment up to them. If we go forward this way, you're waiving that right, and is that what you want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, part of that agreement is that the state would dismiss cause number 25. Y'all wrote C, but I think you meant DCCR.
That's correct, Judge.
DCCR 0917. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Sharp is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for a sentencing hearing, and so the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. We'll come back later for sentencing. Anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Vasquez, and he'll present it to me on your behalf when we come back. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Your Honor, can I speak?
Sure.
Would the court consider a bond reduction?
Not with a cap of 15 years in prison. No, you can go back with the bailiff. Mr. Sharp, I want to make sure that you understand and know that I receive, the district attorney's office receives, your attorney will receive all of your disciplinary incident reports from the jail. I have 11 pages of them. So if you think you're going to come in and ask me for any type of consideration on that plea, my suggestion is between now and when you come back, I don't have any more added to this.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have to take the 15 years.
Yes, ma'am.
We could go to trial and you could get worse.
Yes, ma'am.
A jury will see all of this.
Yes, ma'am.
You're too old for this nonsense.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go back with the bailiff.